The last Pradosh fast of Kartik month will be celebrated on this day. Note the auspicious time and method of worship. Pradosh fast is considered very important. This day is very dear to Lord Shiva. It comes twice every month. This time this fast will be kept on the 13th of November. Pradosh has special importance from the astrological point of view. Fasting on this day and worshipping the Shiva family with true devotion leads to Akshaya fruits. Also life remains happy. The day of Pradosh fast is auspicious in itself. This day is dedicated to the worship of Lord Shankar and Mother Parvati. Fasting on this day leads to happiness, peace, success and prosperity in life. Pradosh means removing darkness. This year the last Pradosh fast of Kartik month will be celebrated on the 13th of November. It is believed that by observing this fast all the sorrows of the seeker end, so let us know the main things related to this day. Auspicious time of Pradosh fast according to the Hindu calendar. Kartik Shukla Trayodashi will start on November 13th at 1:01 p.m. At the same time, this date will end on November 14th at 9:43 a.m. In such a situation, Pradosh fast will be kept on Wednesday, November 13th. Puja Muhurta of this day is 5:49 p.m. Pradosh Vrat will be observed on Wednesday, November 13th. The Puja Muhurta of this day will be from 5:49 p.m. to 8:25 p.m. Pradosh Vrat Puja Vidhi. Wake up in the morning and take a holy bath. Take a vow to fast in front of Lord Shankar and Mother Parvati. Place the idol of the Shiva family on an altar. Bathe the idol with Gangajal and clean them thoroughly. Light a lamp of desi ghee and offer garlands of oleander, mother and ark flowers. Apply tripund of white sandalwood to Lord Shiva. Offer him kheer, halwa, fruits, sweets, thandai, lassi etc. Recite Pradosh Vrat Katha. Recite Panchakshari mantra and Shiv Chalisa. Pradosh Puja is considered more auspicious in the evening, so worship during Pradosh period only. Break your fast the next day. Also avoid tamasic things. Worship mantra of Pradosh fast. Panchakshar mantra Om Namah Shivaya. Mahamrityunjay mantra Om Trimbakam Yajamahe Sugandhi Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanan Mrityamukshya Mamritat. Shiv Stuti mantra Daswapnadva Shakun Durgatidor Manasya Durbhikshadur Vyasan. Bathe the idol with Gangajal and clean it thoroughly. Light a lamp of desi ghee and offer garland of oleander, mother and ark flowers. Apply tripund of white sandalwood to Lord Shiva. Offer him kheer, halwa, fruits, sweets, thandai, lassi etc. Recite Pradosh Vrat Katha, Panchakshari mantra and Shiv Chalisa. Pradosh Puja is considered more auspicious in the evening, so worship during Pradosh period only. Break your fast the next day. Also avoid tamasic things. Pujan mantras of Pradosh Vrat. Panchakshar mantra, Om Namah Shivaya. Mahamrityunjay mantra, Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. Urvarukamiv Bandhanan Mrityamukshya Mamritat. Shiva praise mantra, Daswapnadu Shakun Durgatidornasya, Durbhikshadurvyasan Dushaduryashansya. Furiousness, poison, fear, anger. Vyadishchanashayatume Jagtatamishah. The remedies, benefits, advice and statements mentioned in this video are for general information only. Do not consider this video as the final truth or claim and use your discretion.